Hello there, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please do click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make some Chinese fried fish. It's absolutely delightful, beautiful. Get your rice ready. Let's get on with it. Okay, so we're going to get started with our fish. Now I'm using here today dory fish. That was frozen, I defrosted it, and I've used 2 fillets in there. 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of star anise powder or 5 spice powder, salt and pepper. So the first thing we're going to do is season the flour. So in goes the salt and pepper. There goes the star anise powder or 5 spice. Give that a little mix. We've got a nice kind of seasoned flour there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of fish, we're going to dip it into the egg, then we're going to dip it into the flour and then set it aside. Let me do that, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I've got some oil there, like a centimetre or so. I'm using a sunflower oil, you can use something else if you want. There's our fish. Now we need nice hot oil. And we're going to drop these in, try and space them out a little bit, otherwise they stick together. So nice hot oil, it's going to cook really quickly. It's probably going to be about 2 minutes aside, so 4 minutes in total. We're going to get these out, put them onto some kitchen paper or towel, and then we can move on. I'll be back in about 4 minutes or so. Okay, they're looking beautiful, so out they come onto some kitchen paper. And then all I've got to do is do the last batch. Delicious stuff. So our fish is done and set aside. Let's take a look at what we've got here then. Onion, cut nice and chunky. Bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there. I've got red, green and yellow, as you can see. Spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, green onions. Tablespoon of garlic and ginger each. Some celery, like 1 stalk of celery, and then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Let's get back to the cooker. This is nearly done and it's wonderful. Okay, so I'm back at the cooker with a wok. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil again. It's getting it nice and hot. Are you ready? Here we go. Onion, celery, the peppers, the garlic, the ginger. 2 minutes, high heat, keep it moving all the time now. So we want these vegetables to have a real big crunch on them. Next up, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The same amount of ketchup. It's going to give it a real beautiful sweetness. To that, we're going to add a little bit of water. High heat. All the way. No need to add any salt to this because the oyster sauce is already salty and our fish is already seasoned. Talking of fish, let's get it in. Changing spoons here. I don't want to break the fish. Just want to smother it in this sauce for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And then this is done It's beautiful. Well done, everyone. Absolutely fabulous. Off goes the heat. Nice big handful of green onions. Save some back for decoration. One more little mix in there. And I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. That is done. Nice with some fried rice, maybe some egg fried rice or something like that. Super delicious. Didn't take that long, did it? Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And leave us a comment. We like to know you're well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.